Welcome guys to BooCanDo. Today we're going to be baking a banana bread that's going to be super tasty and healthy as well. So you're going to start off with greasing your baking tray. So I've gone for a bread shaped baking tray. And you want to be preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So let's get started. What you're going to need is 140 grams of self-raising flour, 2 large eggs, 140 grams of caster sugar, 140 grams of butter, 2 large, very ripe bananas, and they need to be mashed, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a packet of salted caramel fudge pieces. The first step, we are going to cream the butter and caster sugar. So you're going to pop those in a bowl, like so. Next we're going to add an egg, and as we add an egg we're going to add a spoonful of our flour to stop it from breaking. Then we're going to add your second egg with another spoonful of the flour. There we go. And mix that in. And then you're going to add the rest of your flour and mix all of that in. Start mixing slowly and then gradually build your speed. It's going to look quite dry at this point, but that's because we're going to be adding bananas instead of more eggs. So I just like to scrape down the edges for this bit. All off the mixes. Try not to fling it everywhere. And at this point we're going to add our baking powder and our mashed bananas. I like to fold in the mashed bananas because I think it's quite nice to have a few chunks of banana in there. But if you're not keen on that, then you can use your mixers again. Either way will work. And then also you're going to add your fudge pieces. So you can add as much as you want. I'm going to add quite a lot because I know that my family are quite keen on there being a lot of fudge in there. And fold that in so you don't break up the pieces of fudge. And there you have it, the banana cake mix is done. So now that you've made your cake mix, you're going to pop that into your baking tray, like so. Once you've got it all in, you can obviously smooth it out with your spatula, but then I like to tap it on the surface so it makes it a bit flatter, and then you get a nicer finish when you've cooked it. So, smooth that off. And it goes into all the corners like that. So you're going to sprinkle even more fudge over the top, and we're going to pop this in the oven, so I'll see you in 50 minutes.
A few moments later.
And there you have it, all finished. And there you have it. Oh. I think we're retaking that. And there you have it.
Hey!